Understanding Asteroidal Impact, a guide. Hello everyone, today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. The meaning of the phrase, asteroidal impact. Whether you're a science enthusiast or simply curious about this cosmic term, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this interstellar journey and uncover the mysteries of asteroidal impacts together. Before we talk about asteroidal impact, it's essential to understand what an asteroid is. Asteroids are rocky objects orbiting the Sun, primarily found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Unlike planets, asteroids are smaller and have irregular shapes. They are remnants from the early solar system, offering valuable clues about the formation of our cosmic neighborhood. The word, impact, refers to a collision or a forceful contact between two objects. In our context, it's the moment when an asteroid collides with another celestial body, like a planet or a moon. This event can release an enormous amount of energy, comparable to multiple nuclear bombs. Combining the concepts from the first two sections, asteroidal impact refers to the event when an asteroid crashes into a planet or a moon. This phenomenon can have significant consequences, including the creation of craters, atmospheric changes, and even mass extinctions, as many scientists believe happened with the dinosaurs. Studying asteroidal impacts is crucial for several reasons. 1. Historical insight. They offer a glimpse into the history and evolution of our solar system. 2. Planetary geology. Impacts shape the surface of planets and moons, creating craters and other geological features. 3. Threat to Earth. Understanding the potential threat of an asteroid collision with Earth is vital for developing mitigation strategies. We hope you enjoyed this cosmic journey through the meaning of asteroidal impact. It's not just a phrase, it's a window into our past and a key to safeguarding our future. Stay curious, and keep exploring the wonders of our universe. See you in the next video.